Hello dear children, welcome back to your science class. So students, in the last class we started a new chapter number 7, which is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. So our topic for today is climate. So the climate of a place can be defined as the prevailing weather condition of the place for a long period of time, for example 25 years. Okay. So the basic difference between weather and climate is what? Weather is observed for a over very short duration. Weather can change, whether it's day to day changes or you can say week by week changes. Okay, but climate, the average weather pattern, when it is taken over a long time, say 25 years, then it is known as the climate of that place. Okay, for example, the temperature of Rajasthan is generally high throughout the year as it does not receive much rainfall, so we can say that Rajasthan is a hot and dry place. Now the next topic is climate and adaptation. Okay, so children, climate has a profound effect on all living organisms, and animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. Okay, the features and habits that help the animals to adapt to their surroundings are a result of the process of evolution. Okay, so we are going to study about certain animals and how they have adapted themselves to survive in the extreme climatic conditions of a particular place. Okay, so first of all, we are going to talk about the polar regions. The polar regions present an extreme climate. Okay, these regions are covered with snow and it is very cold for most part of the year. For 6 months, the sun does not set at the poles, while for the other 6 months, the sun does not rise. In winters, the temperature can be as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. Animals living there have adapted to these severe conditions. Let us see how they are adapted by considering the examples of polar bears and penguins. Okay, so if I talk about polar bears, they have a number of adaptations which are helping them to survive in the cold climatic conditions of the polar region. Okay, polar bears have white fur which is not easily visible in the snowy white background, because of which its predator and prey are unable to see it. Okay, it also has two thick layers of fur. These layers of fur keep it warm in cold weather. Next, they have a layer of fat under its skin. This fat insulates its body from cold and keep it warm. They also have long, curved and sharp claws. These long, curved and sharp claws help it to walk on ice easily. Polar bear also have a very strong sense of smell. It helps the bear to locate and catch its prey easily. Okay, so with the help of all these special features, polar bear can easily survive in polar region. Next, we will discuss about penguin. Okay, so we know that penguins are very good swimmers. So what are those features which helps the penguin to move easily in water? Okay, so firstly, they have solid bones which help them to dive, move easily. They have a pair of wings with the help of which they can propel forward in the water. They have streamlined body. Streamlined का मतलब क्या होता है? Streamlined is a special shape. Okay, like the shape of the boat, the shape of the fish, the shape of the aeroplane. This shape is what? This is streamlined shape. And streamlined shape, the objects which have a streamlined shape, they can easily move in water or air. Okay, so because of this streamlined shape, penguin can easily move in water. They have waterproof weather to swim faster in the water. Okay, with the help of waterproof weather, they can swim easily and faster in the water. Now for keeping their body warm, they have a layer of overlapping feather coated with oil, and because of this special feature, there are pockets of air underneath their feathers. उनके feathers के नीचे there are pocket of airs, and we know that air is a poor conductor of heat, so it does not allow the body heat to move outside, and because of which the body of the penguins remain warm. Okay, next, for their protection, they move in group, or we also use the word they huddle together. Okay, huddle together means they move in groups. Okay, also they swim zigzag. Because of their zigzag movement, it becomes difficult for their predators to attack them easily. Fine. Now their diet, what do they eat? They generally eat aquatic animals, small aquatic animals like krill, squids or fishes. Next is for breathing, for easy breathing, they have special blood and muscle tissues since they are spending a lot of time inside the water. So with the help of these special blood and muscle tissues, they can inhale increased amount of oxygen, which can help them to stay for a longer time under